Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 34X. The marking looks a little confusing. There is a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 34X can be broken down to 34 and X. From our table, we can see that code 34 corresponds to 221. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of minus 1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 221 multiplied by 0.1, which is of course 22.1. So the value of our resistor is 22.1 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.